Hey guys, before today's video starts, I just want to let you know I haven't got my work truck cleaned within the next few weeks. Well, finally today in this video, I finally got it cleaned, and here we go. What's up, guys? Today on this episode of JADEN LAMB, we will be going through the car wash to get my work truck cleaned up. As you can see, well, barely see it. I can barely see out this window right here, and there's like bird crap here, bird crap there. But the music I will be using will possibly not be copyrighted, so I'll definitely let you know, and we will get the wash started. Actually, hold on. Ultimate 15. I'll just do the basic.
You have selected the basic car wash. Please deposit $10. Thank you for your purchase. To start your car wash, please pull into the wash.
Welcome. Drive forward. I get the point. It will tend to hit the antenna, so I'm not worried about it. Damn it. I only use this music for washing vehicles only. out free rinse. Oh, damn it. Thank you for using our car wash. Please exit slowly and have a nice day, is what I heard. Oh, I can feel the dryers in the... Let's see how it did. Okay. Not that bad from this side. It's got this clean. Oh, it's got the license plate all nice and clean too. That's good. A little bit water spots here and there. That should dry off within the next few minutes. Got at least that bird turd off. What is that? Could have gone a little slower, but that should be fine. No bird crap. That's nice. Wow. It actually looks a lot more better now. Wow. One more walk around in wide view. Tires all clean. This was just recently dirty, but wow, it's got a good job on that. Wow, I'm impressed. Wow. Hey guys, before I do end the video, I want to let you guys two new good things. One, I'm fully gaining access to my old account's inventory, so I'm going to grab all of my old models from my old account and transfer it to my current one on Roblox. Second, I know you guys saw that gap in the fender of the truck. I know you might be asking, Jaden, why did you take it through an automatic car wash? And would that damage the machine? Well, that car wash in particular is touchless, so it actually gets the job done and cleans the truck pretty good. But overall, there was like no problem with that. So yeah, I mean, that was the best car wash. I can get that truck clean. Alright guys, that's going to be all for today's video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications bell. Let me know what you want me to see do or play next time. And remember, may my butt car loving you, supporting me as well. And remember, may Robert James Purcell loving you, supporting me as well. And he's always watching you. Alright guys, I'll see you later. And by the way, there will be a new roleplay map coming on my Roblox account pretty soon. See you guys. Peace.